What's your name?
My name is Daisy.
Very nice, Daisy. Daisy, tell me, how old are you?
6.
6 years old. Very nice. Are you ready for the test? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You click. Okay. Tell me, please, what animals are they? They.
They
1, 2, 3.
two rabbits.
Rabbits. Very nice. Tell me, please, what animals are they? 1, 2.
They are 2 horses.
Horses. Tell me, what animals are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They are
6.
6 dogs.
6 dogs. Very nice. Tell me, what animal is it?
They are goats.
They are or eats a goat.
It's a goat.
Very good. Tell me, please, what animal is it? Eats. What animal is it? It's
a rooster.
rooster. Very nice. Okay, Daisy. Thank you very much. Give me a high five. Yes. Goodbye, Daisy.
Goodbye, teacher.